Most people think investing is only for the rich. They picture big bank accounts, expensive suits, and complicated charts. But the truth is, most Americans who invest started with very little money. And yes, you can start too. Welcome to Money Skills, the channel where we explain real-life finance in a simple, clear way. No hype, no confusion. If you're a beginner who wants to invest but feels overwhelmed, this video is for you. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. Today, many platforms let you begin with as little as $10 or $20. What matters most isn't how much you start with, it's getting started at all. Saving and investing are not the same thing. Saving keeps your money safe for emergencies. Investing helps your money grow over time. Both are important, but they do different jobs. You don't need complex strategies. Many Americans start with simple options like index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts. Simple investing is often smarter and less stressful. Trying to time the market stops many people from ever investing. But investing small amounts regularly usually works better than waiting for the perfect moment. Consistency beats timing, almost every time. Investing works best when you think long-term. Your money grows slowly at first, then faster over time. That growth comes from patience and sticking with your plan. You don't need to be rich to invest. You need the right habits and the willingness to start small. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Money Skills, and keep building the financial future you deserve.